ReelPRO is an affordable, easy to install, and easy to use professional take-up system for wide format printers and laminators. It improves workflow, eliminates waste, improves quality and profitability, and all while running your printer unattended. Designed to avoid dust, dirt, scratches, and kinks on printed images, it will automatically spool any slack in your media without increasing tension on the print. ReelPRO is mounted to the base of a printer or laminator. An empty core is fitted between the spools and the mounts are tightened. When your printed media reaches a level of the core, pause the printing operation. Tape the center of the media edge to the core, followed by the corners. You can then resume printing while ReelPRO spools automatically. Forward and reverse modes allow you to spool media both to and from the core at a steady 8 feet per minute. But the operation of a take-up system isn't just about speed. Tension control is just as important. ReelPRO's proprietary clutch mechanism provides precise tension every time. Any excess tension is automatically released by the clutch. Bracket adapters make ReelPRO compatible with most machines, so just about any shop can incorporate ReelPRO into their workflow quickly and easily. Because it keeps your long jobs off the floor, there's less waste due to excess trimming and reprinting, and the improved efficiency will improve your profitability as a result. ReelPRO is the common sense take-up solution for large format printing and laminating. Take control of your workflow today with ReelPRO. For more information, contact your dealer or visit supply55.com.